Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download and install Tango app on your mobile device. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Play Store app. Click on your search option. Clicking on your search option, you just have to type in Tango on your search option. You can see I already have Tango on my phone, but if you don't have it, it's going to bring the option for you to install, just like other apps that brought out option for installing here. So what you just have to do is to click on that particular Tango app and install it on your phone. So guys, that is it on how to download and install Tango app on our phone. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.